integrated nursing roleplay. In this video, we'll show simple nursing communication and action, from talking with a patient before surgery to handling an emergency. Let's start the scene. Hello, good morning, Miss Nadia. My name is Aisha, and I'm the nursing caring for you today. The doctor recommends a minor surgery to remove a small lump on your arm. I'd like to explain what will happen, the risk and benefit, and answer any question you may have. That's okay? Yes, that's fine. Alright, the benefit of the surgery is that we can remove the lump and check whether it's benign. The possible risks include infection, bleeding, or a small scar, but these are uncommon and will be treated if they occur. As an alternative, people may observe the long, but they may delay diagnosis. Do you have any questions so far? No, I understand. Thank you for explaining it clearly. You're welcome, Miss Nadine. So, do you agree to go ahead with the surgery? Yes, I agree, yes. Alright, and I'll note your consent and let the surgical team know. Before the surgery, I'll check your vital sign and make sure you're comfortable. How are you feeling right now? I'm still nervous, to be honest. Oh, okay, that's completely normal, Miss Nadine. And many patients feel that way too, but you're in good hands. No, I'm fine, thank you. I'm very here. Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Yes. Alright. Your blood pressure is a good 120/80 plus 78, temperature normal. Before we start with the next step, are you comfortable? Do you need to go to the toilet or should you proceed first? No, I'm comfortable. Alright, that's good to hear. Now I'll give you a mild sedative medicine by more to help you relax before the surgery, alright? Does it taste bitter? Yeah, a little bit, but I'll give you some water to help. There you go. And I'll give you some water to help. And please hold so slowly. Alright, good job. Oh, it's not that bad after all. Alright, you did great, Miss Nikki. The operation is scheduled for 10:30 a.m. and the doctor will check on you again around 9 o'clock. Please don't eat or drink anything until after the procedure, okay? Alright, I understand. Good. And try to rest a bit. I'll be nearby if you need anything. Yes, miss, thank you. Nurse, I can't stop thinking about it. What if something goes wrong? Oh, I completely understand this pain. Everyone feels nervous before surgery, but please remember you're not alone. The team is ready and will take good care of you. Thank you, Miss. That sounds a lot. You're welcome, Snedden. Just focus on breathing slowly. You've been very brave today. Oh, Miss Snedden, please stay with me. Nurse, I feel dizzy. Right now, I want to check here and find something. If you have. Yes. Yes. Uh, okay, Miss Nadine, your blood pressure is 70/40. Hello, good morning, Dr. Nana. This is Nurse Aisha from the surgical ward. I'm calling about Miss Nene in bed number 5. Her condition has severely worsened. Her blood pressure dropped to 70/14 and her pulse is very fast. She was admitted 2 days ago for minor surgery and has a history of hypertension and diabetes. She was alert earlier but is now weak and barely responsive.
Alright, nurse. It sounds like cardiogenic shock. Please lay her flat. Keep monitoring her vital signs. Prepare the emergency trolley and call the resuscitation team immediately. I'll be there right now.
Understood, doctor. I'll carry out your order immediately.
Of course.
And then the doctor is on the way. I've made you comfortable. Please try to stay calm and take it easy, alright? You're doing great.
So we everything's fine.
Oh, I know you're not alone, Mr. Navy, and I'm right here with you. Help and on the way.
Thank you so much, nurse.
Okay, my pleasure, Mr. Navy.
That's all for our nursing roleplay today. Through this video, we want to show how nurses care for patients with kindness, clear communication, and quick action in emergencies.
Thank you for watching, and remember, being a nurse means helping people not only with our hands but also with our hearts.
Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and comment. Bye bye.